Today, I am at Woodbine Racetrack, which is a place with a lot of adrenaline. Woodbine is a Canadian racetrack known for the thoroughbred horsing racing. It is located in Toronto and can be provides live racetrack experience, including legalized betting. Here you will find the Canadian Horse Racing Hall of Fame, which is a most significant museum made to honor of all those who have made great contributions to the great sport of horse racing. In this museum are the photos of the Queen Elizabeth II when she came to visit for the Queen Plate event, which takes place every year, and that the Queen participated in on July 4, 2010. Moreover, here you will find a beautiful casino and different kinds of restaurants for all tastes. From the restaurant you can order and take out fast food. Also, the post-parade dining room allows you to enjoy your food and drink a la carte with TV monitors and a spectacular view of the racetrack as you enjoy live horse racing. The third is the Woodbine Club, which is an exclusive dining room for members of the club, which I have had the opportunity to share annually with my friends from the Guild of ICIA in the celebration of their annual event. Woodbine Racetrack features a 1-mile oval dirt track and 7/8 grass course that were there when the track first opened in 1956. And since 1993, there has been numerous renovations in those 3 racetracks that has been around since 1994. Also, Mr. Jim Dorris, Treasurer of Guild of ICIA, has told me why it's a great racetrack in North America.
Number one, it's a beautiful setting. Number two, it has the finest turf course in North America. The condition of it is just beautiful. When you get down to the rail, you'll understand why. It's 1.5 miles on turf, so it's the longest turf course in North America, and it rivals anything in Europe.
And you was also mentioned that other countries coming over.
Yes, there are 2 races, one in September and one in October, that attracts a very big international crowd to race on this turf course. And in September and October, it is the mile, the Woodbine Mile, and the Canadian International, which is 1.5 miles. And it is, I believe, $1 million race. So it's a big race.
After having enjoyed an exquisite meal and drink, we make a bet for some horses, and then we went to take an exclusive tour of the facilities to fully appreciate the thoroughbred horses that participate in the races and see them close up. conclude, I can say that horse racing is exciting and enjoying. Its life is even more fascinating. thoroughbred horse racing, this is the right place. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching. I am Sarah Benitez. Please subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. I will be waiting for you in my next videos with more interesting places. Subscribe now to stay up to date.